Welcome to Islamic World of Kids.
Alhamdulillah, I wake each day. Thank you, Allah, I smile and pray for shining sun and sky so blue. Alhamdulillah, I thank you for tasty food and water sweet, for loving home and things to eat, for mom and dad who care for me. Alhamdulillah, so happy I be when I laugh and when I play. I thank Allah all the way, in every moment, big or small. Alhamdulillah for it all.
Alhamdulillah for everything. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.